our craft for our umbrella bird. So you have this paper, and then you have this little like cupcake liner. All right, so everyone needs this, and then you need some markers. If you don't have markers yet, pause the video and go get them. If you have markers, let's get started. All right, I want you to find a red marker. All right, so get your red marker, and you are, watch first, okay? Here's what you're going to do. There's a middle part of this, and you are going to color in the whole middle part red. And remember, when you're coloring, we want kindergarten coloring, all right? So color in the whole middle red. And then, so your paper should look like this, okay? Next, I want you to get a green. So go ahead and everyone get green. All right, when you have your green, you're going to make a circle around our red. Make a circle with your green around the red, and then color it in. So we're gonna kind of make it look like a rainbow. All right, so keep coloring that. All right, then when you finish that, you're going to get a purple. So everyone get a purple, and you're gonna make another circle around, another ring around. All right, so you're gonna go all the way around with purple. And again, we wanna keep our colors separate. I messed up a little bit right there, but that's okay. But we wanna have good kindergarten coloring. So you wanna try to keep your colors separate as you go all the way around. Okay. Now when you finish with your purple, we're gonna go on to another color. And let's go ahead and do blue. Can everyone get a blue? Get your blue marker. And then you're going to go around again. And this time each circle is going to get a little bigger. Okay, I'm going to let you guys finish that because it's taking me a long time. I'll let you finish it. You're going to go all the way around with blue. When you finish blue, you're going to get yellow, okay? After you have that finished, then what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to fold it in half, okay? So then it really will look like a rainbow. Do you see that? And then you're going to glue it on top of your umbrella bird. So he has his umbrella on top of him. He's gonna have a rainbow umbrella. And then I would like you to color your picture with your markers. And then that will be your craft for umbrella bird.